Hi guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making 3 different holiday cards that I wanted to share with you. Before we get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like this video and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. We're going to be making 3 different holiday cards. This is the first card. This is a sneak peek at the second card. And this is going to be the 3rd mini card with a gift card inside. So to start, I have this piece of paper here that is 11 inches this way and about 6 1/4 that way. And I'm going to make it double-sided by using my Northern Light paper pad. But before we make it double-sided, we want to score our paper down the middle so that we put the other paper that's going to make it double-sided on each side of the score line. And my paper is this size because I already have an envelope that I want it to fit in. So I'm just going to trim off this excess so it's all even and apply my double side for the paper. And I'll be right back. So my card is now double-sided, but you could see I'm not the greatest at measuring, so I'm going to just add a little bit of my washi tape because I want to keep the card this size so that it looks proper in my envelope. So the inside of my card is now double-sided and it says Merry and Bright, and I think it looks super cute. The only thing left to do is do the embellishment on the front. What I did is I've pre-cut these circles out from my Cricut machine. You could do this with a hole punch, or you could always cut it out by hand with scissors. And now what I'm going to do is start folding them in half. Ready to start putting my ornament together, so we're going to start gluing down our circles, which are now folded in half. I'm going to be using this tacky glue to do so. First, we're going to add this piece here and this piece. So here's the string and the topper for my ornament, and now I'm going to put the ornament circles on. you get to the last circle, you're going to put glue on both sides because you're going to attach it there, layering it, and again down to the card. And that's it for card number 1. There's my ornament on the front, and inside it says Merry and Bright. Super cute, homemade card. Now let's move on to number 2. So for this card, I've already made it double-sided. There's an off-white with a pattern on the inside, and I left some of this double-sided there to give it that extra color. And it's just like some snowflakes on the front and back. I'm gonna also embellish this very top, and I'm going to add to the front of my card these trees that I printed out with my Cricut. Of course, you could use stickers or cut paper by hand, do anything you want. So to finish off the very top of this card, I decided I wanted to add a little lace trim. This is from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to hot glue that on in place on the front and then on the back. Because my Christmas trees have holes in them, I'm going to use this glue here because it won't seep through the holes to attach them to my card. Card, I want to make it so that this gift card pops out and looks super cute and not like I just ran out to the store and grabbed a gift card. The first step, I have a piece of paper here and it measures 5 by 6, and I'm going to score it down the middle here, and it's going to get folded in half, and then we'll continue to work. So I'm going to use my scoreboard and score it straight down the middle. And then you're going to score it 1 inch over on each side of the middle score line. And then it's going to look like a W, like here. So I marked my 3/4 of an inch in here and here, and I made a little rectangle template to line up the way I want to cut it out so that I get it straight. We're going to cut out this box here. And then we're going to be left with this. Now I'm going to add some glue in here so that this is secured. And then I'm going to put some double-sided tape along the bottom of the card and stick it right into the slot in the middle. And then we're going to stick it and secure it right in place so it looks like a pop-up little gift card. Now I sort of misjudged as I was doing this. The card sticks out just ever so slightly, but I'm not going to worry about that. You could finish it off if you want to hide that with some lace here. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to just glue a little bit of trim on the edge of each side. I cut down the gift envelope the card was already in, and I'm just gonna glue it down on the paper here just so that you see something on both sides. And I'm just gonna use my double-sided tape to do that. So those were my 3 holiday cards. A little while back, I made a different Christmas card with a shaker, pocket, or ornament inside. So if you haven't checked that video out, I'll link it in the eye above. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed these cards. Let me know in the comments down below which card was your favorite and if you might give any of these a try. Please give this video a great big thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.